everyone, and welcome. I am Olive Tugdasan, and today we will be discussing about the ISTE standards for students and teachers. The ISTE means the roadmap for innovating education. So there are two parts that we will discuss today, the standards for teachers and for the students. For educators, the educator's roadmap, this is to help students become empowered. And this will also help the teachers to deepen practice, promote collaboration with peers, challenge to have innovative approaches, and prepare students to drive their own learning. To explore the educator's standards, this will make the educator to become a learner also. Educators continually improve their practice by learning from and with others and exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technology to improve student learning. Becoming a leader, educators seek out opportunities for leadership to support student empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning. Becoming a responsible citizen, educators inspire students to possibly contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world. Being a collaborator, educators dedicate time to collaborate with both colleagues and students to improve practice, discover and share resources and ideas, and to solve problems. A designer, educators design authentic learner-driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability. A facilitator, educators facilitate learning with technology to support student achievement of the ISTE standards for students. Become an analyst. Educators understand and use data to drive their instruction and support students in achieving their learning goals. So the other part is the purpose for students. Today's students must be prepared to thrive in a constantly evolving technological landscape, which shall we call the digital world. The ISTE standards for students are designed to empower student voice and ensure that learning is a student-driven process. Student become empowered learner. Students leverage technology to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating competency in their learning goals, informed by the learning sciences. Digital citizen. Students recognize the rights, responsibilities, and opportunities of living, learning, and working in an interconnected digital world, and they act and model in ways that are safe, legal, and ethical. Knowledge constructor. Students critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and others. Innovative designer. Students use a variety of technologies within a design process to identify and solve problems by creating new, useful, or imaginative solutions. Computational thinker. Students develop and employ strategies for understanding and solving problems in ways that leverage the power of technological methods to develop and test solutions. Being a creative communicator. Students communicate clearly and express themselves creatively for a variety of purposes, using the platforms, tools, styles, formats, and digital media appropriate to their goals. Global collaborator. Students use digital tools to broaden their perspective and enrich their learning by collaborating with others and working effectively in teams, locally and globally. It is important to acknowledge that students are already interested and engaged in using technology. So it will create many amazing opportunities for schools and teachers as well to benefit from integrating some forms of technology in the classroom to make the teaching and learning more effective. Technology has the ability to enhance relationship between teachers and students. So when teachers effectively integrate technology into subject area, teachers grow into different roles. If you have a question, any question about the presentation for today, feel free to ask and and you can make a comment. So once again, this is Olive Tubdasan saying that let us help make teaching and learning more meaningful and more fun through technology. Thank you very much and have a great day.